Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can install games on Steam, like how you can download games. So for instance, I am just going to, let's see, download this game because it's free to play. How do I click? Okay, click it. Oh. And then you are going to select play game, and then it's going to download. So you can choose the location for your installation, and then you're just going to select next to install. But I'm not going to download this game, so I'm just going to go to library to download the game that's already in my library, for instance this one, and just select install for it and press next and select I agree, and it's going to download the game. And that is pretty much how you can install games on Steam. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!